Fold the paper into half, make the fold tight, and then after that take the scale and measure the equal distance from both sides. So let me say 3 centimeters from here and then 3 centimeters from here. Then you have to draw the straight lines. Now this you can do by judgment or you can measure and then do it. So I have taken this. Now let us measure the distance. This is 14 centimeters. So I will take half of that, that is 7 centimeters here and 7 centimeters here, and then I will draw a line. Okay, now what you have to do is that cut on these two lines and fold along this line. So I will cut on these two lines. Like this. And by the way, have you noticed where this is being done? This is being done on the folded side, not on the open side. So remember, this is open side and this is folded side. Now here you have to fold. So while folding, if you can fold it directly, well and good. But if you are not sure of what you are folding, then take some sharp object and make a creasing line on this, and then fold it exactly here and on the opposite side. So this is the way you will fold it. Now open it like you open a book and take this portion inside, and see, this is your first step. What we have done is that we have taken this portion inside. Now you have to repeat the same procedure. Now this much of the space is available to me. So what I will do is that I will take 2 centimeters from here and then 2 centimeters from the right side, and then I will draw the straight lines. And half of this distance. So let us measure this distance. This is 7 centimeters. So say half of the 7 is 3.5. So I will take 3.5 centimeter here. Three and a half centimeter here, and then I will draw a line. Okay, now you have to cut here. Now can you see that now you are cutting the 4 layers of the paper, not just the 2. So see that here there are the 2 sides. Now this side is to be folded like this, make it sharp, invert it. This side will be folded up, make it sharp, and then open in this manner. Move in both the directions to make the fold a bit loose. And now open it like a book here and take this portion inside. Then open it like a book here and take this portion inside. So this is the second stage you have completed. Now the next stage, and remember it's going to be a bit difficult now. The reason is that now you will be folding the 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 8 layers are there, and you have to cut the 8 layers. So remember that. So I will take the 2 centimeters distance from here like this. I will take 2 centimeters distance from here like this. Then I will draw the straight lines. And then I have to cut on these lines. How much? Halfway between whatever is left. Now you know that this is 3.5 centimeter. Half of 3.5 is 1.75. So you have to check it properly. So this is 1, then this is 1.5, 6, 7. So let us take 1.7 instead of 1.75. That should be okay. Here 1.7, and then here also 1.7, and I will draw a line. Now the folding part here is going to be a bit difficult, because now when you cut it completely along the rear corner like this, and you will have to hold it tight, because you are cutting the 8 layers of the paper. Now you also need a good amount of strength to do that. Now the folding, do the first folding here and here, then the opposite side here and here. So these two have been folded. Make them straight. Open the edge like a book and take this part inside. Here, open the edge like a book, take this part inside. Now you have the access to the lower ones. So hold it tight, fold it in this direction, hold it here, fold it in this direction. You can't fold it totally now. You have to fold it this much. So now find out which is that location. It is here. So take this inside. It is here, and take this inside. So this complete pop-up portion is ready. Now you want to see what it makes. It makes a beautiful pop-up in this manner. So this is the steps pop-up. It can stand alone in this manner, and you will see that there are the different steps having generated in this manner. So you can see that it's a beautiful pop-up that will be developed within just 5 minutes of efforts.